Hai, welcome back with me, Husnul Hatimah. Now I will give you some information or some tips about how to make Lidi'S snack. Before it, maybe all of you already know about Lidi'S snack because it's very easy to find. Usually, you can find in elementary school, junior high school, or senior high school. Lady snack in my Java language or my Java village, the name is not ladies but beating. There is another people say lady, but in many village, lady snack, the call name is beating. Okay guys, I don't want to talk much about the name of food or the name of snack. Now let's go and stay tuned and happy watching. Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and don't forget also give like, give comment on below. Don't forget also click subscribe. Thank you. See you.